Hi kids, good morning. Welcome to New Era Global School online teaching class. So this is your Devi ma'am. So yesterday we have started our term 2 syllabus, right? What is the chapter name? The chapter name is the solar system. And today what we are going to learn? We are going to learn about the satellite. Okay? So before going to this topic, so we'll take a quick recap of yesterday topic, right? So yesterday what we have seen? We have seen about our family, right? That is our solar system. So our solar system, it is made up of the sun, 8 planets together along with their moons. So in this solar system, the sun, it is the center of that family and it is the very closest star to our earth. And planets, they are the large bodies. They revolve around the sun in a fixed path. It is called orbits. Okay. And then we have seen about the 8 different planets. So up to 2006, the Pluto was also a planet. But due to some reasons, it was considered as a dwarf planet. So the first 4 planets, that is Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. So they are called the inner planets. And the next 4, that is Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So these 4, they are the outer planets. Okay. Now we will start about the what do you mean by satellite. So what is a satellite? The satellite is a moon or some other objects that orbits a planet or a star. Satellite मतलब क्या है? So it will revolve. It is a moon. So satellite means it is a moon or some other object. What that will do? They will take a round around a planet or a star. So, thus the Earth is a satellite as it orbits the Sun. As you know, the 8 planets are revolving around the Sun. And the Moon is the satellite, it orbits the Earth. Okay, so our Moon is only the natural satellite. So, there are two type of satellites are there. First one, it is a natural satellite. Second one, it is called the artificial satellite. How many types are there? There are 2 types. One is called as a natural satellite and second one it is called as an artificial satellite. Okay. So first we will see about the natural satellite. So natural objects that move around the planets in an orbit. It is called the natural satellite. Okay. So what is a natural satellite? That move around the planets in an orbit. So they are called natural satellite. तो इसमें 2 बार मैंने लिखा है, गलत हो गया, इसमें स्ट्राइक कर दो, ठीक है. So the moon is an example of a natural satellite. So now we will learn about the moon. So what is the moon? The moon is the natural satellite of the earth. Okay, it is the natural satellite of the earth. It completes one revolution around the earth in 27 days. Okay, the moon is the natural satellite. It completes one revolution around the earth in 27 days. The moon, it does not have the light of its own. Okay, it doesn't have the light of its own, but we can see the moon at the night because the reflection of the sun, the moon will get that one. Okay, I'm repeating again. We are talking about the satellite. So there are two type of satellites are there. Natural satellite and artificial satellite. So natural objects. So the things made by the God, naturally they are present means, and that one, it revolves around the planets in a particular orbit. It is called the natural satellite. So the moon is an example of natural satellite. So first one, the moon, it is a natural satellite of the earth. For taking the one revolution around the earth, it takes 27 days. The moon does not have the light of its own, but we can see the moon at night because it reflects the light of the sun. Okay? And then if you see the moon, it does not have any kind of atmosphere. So our earth, it is having the atmosphere, right? But in the moon, it doesn't have any atmosphere. Okay? So without the atmosphere, the side of the moon that faces the sun, okay, the moon which faces the sun, it will be extremely hot, while the side that is very darkness is extremely cold. Okay, so if you see the moon faces the sun means that area will be very hot, and the next side it is fully cold. The darkness side, it will be very cold. So in the moon there is no water. Okay, and if you see the surface of the moon, it is made up of rocks, and you can able to see many mountains and craters. Okay, so moon mein no water will be there, no atmosphere is there, and the surface, it is fully made up of rocks and has many mountains and craters. And how the craters are formed? Okay, the craters are the bowl-shaped cavities. If any small rocks, okay, in our solar system, many rocks, asteroids or rocks will be there. If these asteroids and the rocks hits the moon, the crater will be formed. Okay, and then, so how the crater will be, it depends upon the range and kilometers. अगर पत्थर छोटा है तो the crater will be small. अगर पत्थर तो बहुत बड़ा है, उसकी किलोमीटर साइज बहुत बड़ा है तो it will be very bigger. Since it has no atmosphere, no water, there is no wind and there is no rain on the moon. Hence the weathering of the rocks does not take place on the moon. So today I am going to give one activity. You have to do this activity in the home and you have to give me the answer after 1 month. Okay? So have you seen the moon shapes? Each and every day the moon shape will be changing. Have you seen that one? What changes the shape of the moon? So what is today's date? Today is 17/12/2020. On the next 17/1/2021, you have to give me the answer. What you have to do? You have to go to night. At night you go to the terrace and you see the shape of the moon. So one day it will be new moon, one day it will be a full moon, one day waning crescent, one day gibbous. So like that, different shape. The moon has the different shape. So put the date and see what is the shape of the moon. If no moon is there, it is called new moon day. Right? When full moon you can see, it is called as a full moon day. Then half moon, then crescent moon and waxing gibbous. So like that, 1 month you do this activity, and after completing 1 month you have to give me the answer. Okay? So what we have seen now, we have seen about the natural satellite. In that we have seen about the moon, The moon is the natural satellite. For completing one revolution, it takes 27 days. It doesn't have the light. It does not have the atmosphere, and it is very hot while it is facing the moon, and it is very cold when it is as darkness. So the surface will be made up of many mountains and craters. So what is the crater? The crater is the bowl-shaped cavities when the surface of the moon is hit by any rocks or asteroids. Okay. So this is up to your natural satellites. Then we will see about the artificial satellite. So what is an artificial satellite? Man-made objects that move around the planets into an orbit. It is called the artificial satellite. So the satellite made by the man to move around the planets for any some purposes. That is, what is the gas present in the planet, what are the things present in that planet, whether the life is possible or not. For some reasons, the scientists, they will be sending an artificial satellite. So Sputnik 1 was the first artificial satellite that was successfully placed into an orbit. Okay. Who launched this one? It was launched by USSR on October 4, 1957. So then what happened? Many satellites have been launched from the Earth into its orbit. Okay, what is an artificial satellite? The man made the objects that move around the planets in an orbit. It is called the artificial satellite. Sputnik 1 was the first artificial satellite. It was launched by USSR on October 4, 1957. After that, so many satellites have been launched from the Earth into an orbit. So, what the artificial satellite will do? It will collect the useful information about the Earth's surface, atmosphere, and other objects in an space. Okay. So why the satellites are used? To study the weather, planets and the stars. Okay, mainly for studying the weather, planets and the stars, the satellites are used. And then what the other uses they will do? They also help in communication through radio, telephone and television. Satellites help the ships and aircrafts to keep the track of their position using the system called GPS. What do you mean by GPS? That is Global Positioning System. Okay. So underline this word in your book, Global Positioning System. Okay. Repeating again, some artificial satellites, what they will do? They will collect the useful information about the Earth's surface, atmosphere and other objects in space, and is also used to study the weather, planets and stars. They also help in communication through television, radio and telephone. Satellites helps the ship and aircraft to track the position using a system. It is called Global Positioning System. Okay. Then we are going to see about the stars. So what are the stars? The stars are hot balls of gases. Okay, so many stars are there. Which is our closest star? The Earth is said to be the closest star. What they will do? They give out the heat and light. So they will be very bigger than our planets. So planets का compare करने के लिए the stars will be very 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 bigger. But if you see from our earth, it look like a tiny points of light to us because they are very very far away from us. Okay. So what are the stars? They are the hot balls of gases that give out heat and light. So compared to the planets, they are very very larger. But they appear as tiny points to us because they are far away from us. Okay. And then constellation. So if you see in the sky, you can able to see some shapes. Okay. That is some of the stars that form a patterns in the sky. It is called constellation. Okay. So today what you are going to do, go to the upstairs, and if you see there, you can able to see the some patterns in the sky, some shapes. It may be a square, it may be rectangle, like that shapes you can able to see. Okay, that patterns, it is called constellation. The two examples are Ursa Major and Orion. What are the two examples? Ursa Major and Orion. So these constellations are useful to locate the specific stars in the sky and to keep track of the artificial satellite. Okay. So by using the instrument called telescope, you can see the planets and the stars present in the sky. So Galileo, the Indian astronomer, was the first person to use the telescope to study the moon, planets and the stars. Okay, what is the constellation? It is the group of the stars that forms the patterns in the sky. The two examples are Ursa Major and Orion. So what the constellation will do? It will locate the specific stars in the sky and they will track of artificial satellite. So by using the telescope, you can see the different things present in the sky. So Galileo is an Indian astronomer. He was the first person to use the telescope to study the moon, planet and the stars. Okay. So today what we have covered? We have covered about the satellites. What are the satellites? So up to today what we have seen? First we have seen about the satellites. Then there are two type of the satellites are there. Natural satellite and artificial satellite. So natural satellite का example moon. Artificial satellite का example Sputnik 1. Then we have seen about what is the star and the constellation. The star means what? It is a hot ball of gases and it will produce its own heat and light. So when we see from the earth, it looks very small. Why? Because they are far away from us. Then we have seen about the constellations. What is a constellation? A group of stars that form a patterns in the sky. It is called as a constellation. So as I told, I have given the IBL questions, right? What are the IBL questions? So today, from today, what is the date? 17/12/2020 up to 17/1/2021, observe the different phases of the moon. In which particular day full moon is coming? On which date half moon is coming? Half moon, full moon, new moon, waning crescent, waxing gibbous. So you make a note on your rough notebook. On next month you have to show the result. Okay. So this is the quick recap of today's chapter. Then I have given one homework to you. So have you seen in the side? In the side the constellation names were there. Okay, and you have